I loved the environment there, and the coaches were like phenomenal, and they like wanted to make the program better, and they were like really determined to not just have individual like champions, but a team. There was two, and it was a D1 school and then Milliken, which is D3, and I just liked it because it was close to home, and it was pretty much an easy pick.
They're getting a very hard worker. She has been committed to the sport, not just during the season, which most track kids are. She's worked in the off season all year at the disc. She's there 2 or 3 nights a week working there and trying to improve her skills and as an athlete.
My freshman year, I was just average, and then at the end of my freshman year, I realized like, yeah, I maybe want to do this in college. And then I got a personal coach for outside of the season, and it really improved and pretty much paid off last year at state.
Being a person who is dedicated to the sport, who wants to strive, wants to do better, wants to improve, wants to learn the sport, and will be there for her teammates and for her coach.
Coach Williams, it was just pretty much like being a team and being a team player. Even though it is track, it needs to be like a team environment. And Coach Simmons, the fine details and like starts and footwork and all of that stuff.
I'm ecstatic. I helped coach there with volleyball. I went to Milliken. I'm a Milliken grad. I ran track at Milliken, so I'm ecstatic that she's going there. I think it's a great fit for her. I think it's really going to improve their program too, and I'm excited to go watch her run there.
I'm pretty much ready. I want to be able to experience the competition for the college and everything.